Today I'm going to show you how to install the Tusk overhead storage bag. This is a real simple install and an easy way to carry extra items with you. Now, if you have a roof on your machine, it's a good idea to remove that, get that out of the way so you have room to work. And we actually have foam tape on the top of our roll cage. You can just go over the foam tape with these hook and loop straps, but we're going to do one better. We're going to mark the mounting locations for those straps and cut them out. Now, when you install the overhead bag, you want to make sure the Tusk logo and these zippers are facing towards the rear of the machine so they're easy to use. After that, it's going to be a similar process for the other side. And then since we removed our roof, we're going to reinstall it. And there you have it. That's all it takes to install the Tusk overhead storage bag on your Polaris RZR XP1000. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. And hey, if you need to pick one of these up, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. It's going to take you over there. We offer free shipping on orders over $75, so take advantage of that. And hey, if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.